Hey everyone, today's video is a little different. It's from my new channel, the Breakthrough channel. This video talks about something super important. Why the pain of discipline is better than the pain of regret. And honestly, this applies to everything. Whether you're learning English, working on your goals, or just trying to improve your life. If you enjoy this kind of motivational content and want to stay consistent, focused, and inspired, consider subscribing to the Breakthrough channel. I'll be posting mindset, motivation, and discipline videos regularly. Let's grow together, in English and in life. Ever sat on your bed at night staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, why didn't I just do it when I had the chance? That's not a question. That's regret. And here's the truth no one wants to hear. You will either suffer the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. But one of them builds you, the other breaks you. So, which one are you living with right now? Let's talk about regret. Not the kind where you picked the wrong pizza topping, the kind that haunts you, the kind that whispers, you could have been more. Maybe you didn't apply for that job. Maybe you skipped the gym for the third month in a row. Maybe you never said what you truly felt. You told yourself, tomorrow. But tomorrow became next week, next year, and now it's too late. Here's the thing. Regret doesn't punch you all at once. It bleeds in slowly, quietly, until one day you look in the mirror and don't recognize the version of you that gave up. Now, let's flip it. Discipline is hard, yes. Waking up early? Annoying? Going to the gym when it's raining? Miserable? Sitting at your desk when friends are out partying? Lonely. But you know what's harder? Waking up one day realizing your body is weak, your dreams are dusty, and your fire has gone cold because you chose comfort over commitment. Discipline is a short-term pain, but it gives long-term peace. It's the price of becoming the person you said you wanted to be. Let me tell you about my friend Ray. 3 years ago, he was stuck in a job he hated. He dreamed of becoming a fitness coach, but every morning he snoozed his alarm. Every night he scrolled instead of studied, and every month he said, I'll start next month. Then one day he saw a post. 6 years ago, you said, someday. That day never came. It hit him like a truck. He got up, wrote a plan, started waking up at 5 a.m., worked out, learned, posted content. Fast forward to now, he trains over 40 clients, owns a home gym, and teaches discipline for a living. He chose the pain of discipline, and it changed his life. Let's be real. It's hard to stay consistent. You'll feel tired. You'll feel lonely. You'll feel like no one notices, but remember, the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret, that lingers. It steals your self-respect, your dreams, your confidence. It turns potential into disappointment. Want to break the cycle? Here's a simple plan. I call it the 3D system. 1. Decide. Make a clear, bold decision about what you want. Write it down. Don't just hope, declare it. 2. Design. Create a simple daily ritual. Do it daily. Start small. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for consistent. Even if it's 5 push-ups or 1 page. Discipline isn't built in a day. It's built daily. Here's the shift that changes everything. Don't ask, do I feel like it? Ask, who do I want to become? Because high achievers don't wait for motivation. They build systems. They don't chase dopamine. They chase legacy. And when you choose discipline, you start trusting yourself. You show up when it's boring. You show up when it's hard. And that makes you dangerous in the best way. So, choose your pain. The pain of discipline that molds you, sharpens you, strengthens you. Or the pain of regret that leaves you wondering what could have been. One hurts now, the other hurts forever. Your move.